Video, and in this video we will discuss about the QAM-256 modulation. And uh, as you let's start by understanding what QAM-256 is all about. As all of you know that QAM stands for Quadrature Amplitude Modulation, a technique used in modern communication systems to transmit data efficiently over different channels. As you can also see here, the practical example of CAM256 modulator. CAM256 specifically refers to quadrature amplitude modulation with 256 different levels, or you can say symbols. This means we can transmit more information in each signal, significantly increasing data throughput. And as you can see here, we have a practical setup of a CAM256 modulator. It's a device that encodes digital data into radio waves, altering both amplitude and phase to represent multiple bits of information in a single symbol. And if we now let's talk about the other side of the coin, demodulation. The demodulator is responsible for extracting the original digital data from the received signal. It reverses the modulation process, decoding the transmitted information. As this is the basic definition of demodulation. The use of CAM256 comes with several advantages. Its high spectral efficiency allows more data to transmit it within the same bandwidth. This efficiency is crucial in modern communication systems where maximizing data throughput is essential. And the if we talk about the practical applications and real world uses, CAM256 modulation finds applications in various fields, from digital cable TV and satellite communications to wireless networks and even digital radio. Its ability to carry more data makes it a fundamental component in our connected world. And you can see here that's how it's working. If you focus a little bit, that's how it's working. Then you can see here we have from this we are giving here waveform, AC waveforms to as an input, and also the negative of this sine wave. You can see here we are using a threshold voltages with a slew rate of 500 millivolts by ns with high logic voltage of 5. And so this is going into the directly. Here we have the LD, and you can also check out the waveforms here. That's how it's working. Here we have the graph that is showing about the waveforms. That's how it's working. And here we have only the pins IC that already we used in the previous video. And here we have the automatic switches that are working on the basis of the current. It's called CAM256 because of use of the 256 symbols. Here we have directly uses the ICs, but if we can't use ICs here and directly use all the gates, then it will make 256 components. And that's wrap for today's explorations of CAM256 modulations and demodulation. I hope this video shed light on this essential technology and communication systems. And if you require any type of assistance in electrical and electronics project, you can ping me a message on my WhatsApp number, and also you can visit my Upwork and Fiverr profiles. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching the video.